Okay, evaluating alternative installation processes by me. How do I change slides? The installation of a new system is a situation that most companies will have to go through at some point in time, just because they have to improve their efficiency. And during this process, the old system will be retired and the new system will be put in place. And there are four main ways of doing this, and they are direct, parallel, pilot, and phased, or in phases. So direct is changing the whole system at once and removing the legacy system and putting in the new system. This has a low cost but a high risk, and they're a method of replacing an old system with a new one. Smaller firms will tend to do this instead, because this has a lower cost and they tend to have less data, and this has a very high risk, because if the old system stops working, if the new system when it's implemented stops working, all data will be lost. So this is why larger firms would probably not do this one. The next one is parallel running, and this is when both systems are run at the same time to ensure that there's no flaws and that the new system is working 100%. And data is inputted to both systems, so both run alongside. However, for a short period of time, this is probably the most inefficient way and has a much higher cost. But large firms would do this because it has a very low risk involved, because if the new system crashes, the old system will remain and no data will be lost. Pilot running is the new system is piloted or trialed in a small section of the company or a small group of people of the business, and once it's running correctly, the new system is then implemented and the old system is gotten rid of. So this is similar to parallel running. However, only a small group of people in the company will use the new system. So there's advantages to it. The people who use this system will have a much better knowledge of it. So when the whole company moves onto the new system, they'll be able to train and ensure other people have no issues while using this new system. However, this does have quite a lengthy time period to it, and there is still medium risk, because although it's a small number of people, the small group of people who are trialing the new system, if the new system fails while they're piloting the system, their data will be completely lost. And the last one is phased implementation, and this is when the new system is introduced in phases as parts of the old system are gradually replaced with the new system. So this is a mix of kind of all of them, where the old system is run with the new system, and then when the new system is the new system is working 100%, or what they think is 100%, then they remove the old system, but they don't remove the old system at the same time. So the new system is gradually brought in. However, this does still also have a risk, because this new system can also still fail, and there's no real backup when the new parts of the new system are working. And also it's quite lengthy, because you have to break it up into small processes. And out of all four of the different ones, the lowest risk is parallel and the highest is direct. Okay, then 3 questions. A company needs to change their system. They need a change very fast and they do not have a lot of money. Which method of change is used? Omar. Yes. A company used an installation process. They decided on a safe method of change, and a division of their company already knows how to use the new system. Which installation process did they use? Abraj. Yes. Question 3. A very large firm is wanting to change their system. Which installation process should they use if they don't want anything to go wrong? Ruben. Correct. Nice.